You probably know how to search GitHub issues and pull requests, but do you know how not to search? And what I mean by that is doing a search that you don't want those results in the search result. Let me show you what I mean. So as you can see here, we're on the pull request, and this works the same for issues. And you can see we've got lots of pull requests on the EddieHub link-free project. I hope you've created your link-free profile on here. If you haven't yet, go submit that. You'll go get a green square at the same time and get to geek out with us. Link in the description below. But getting back to this, you can click on any of these labels and we can filter by one. So I can click on this and it will filter by the mediums, or I can click on the chore. But what happens if I want to remove those ones because I want to look at the other pull requests? So you've also got other filters on the top, but they're not, they're the actual kind of greedy, right? They're going to accept those results. Well, what you can do is you can click on the one you want. So you can see here, it is PR, is open, and is it the label of chore profile edition. To do the opposite of that, I just need to put a minus in front of it. So I can go minus and hit enter, and you'll see the complete opposite results. So it's got the mediums, the larges, but it's also now removed all the ones with labels that have chore profile edition, which is really useful because sometimes you do want to exclude certain results from the results. So now I can actually work through this, and the maintainers can look at the profiles, and I can look at the other pull requests that I've been working on with other people and so forth. So that's like really, really useful. I discovered that today and I was thinking, wow, I need to share this. Why have I not discovered that before? So I hope that's helpful to you. But before we go, let me give you a couple more tips. So if you want to do an AND operator, you have a space here, as you can see. So is PR, and is it opened, and does it have the label? But what you can do is do a comma, and that will be an or. So if we wanted two labels, so let me remove this now, and let's just search for the label, right? So we're just checking, does it have the label chore profile edition? But then what we can do is we might want to filter by medium as well. So what we would do here, if it was an and, it would be label, and then we would say medium. So now you can see all the larges have disappeared. It's medium and profile edition. But if we want it to be an or, what we need to do is just put a comma in there. And now we've put a comma in there, it's the or operator. And so you can see we've got medium or profile edition. And if you want to learn more, GitHub does have some great docs on filtering issues and pull requests, and they've got tips on how you can filter by different people. You can actually even do it on the command line with their CLI tool, which I think is great fun. It looks really kind of, you're like a hacker, it looks really good. I sometimes do use it, I need to get better at that. And then all the way down at the bottom, you have the example here to use the logical or operator. You put a comma. I've just noticed my mistake, and I need to remove the word label off the second one. So let's give that a go, and that explains why it's not working. So I need to remove this, and my understanding is it's like that. So profile edition or large. Yes, that looks better. That's the results I was expecting. Now you can see it's profile edition medium, profile edition large. Most of them will be a profile edition, but the idea is it doesn't have to always be large. It can be something else because we've got the profile edition label there. Hopefully that makes sense. Let me know what you think of the search and the searching capabilities on GitHub in the comments below. And don't forget, we geek out on Discord, in EddieHub, between YouTube videos and live streams. Link in the description below, and I'll look forward to geeking out with you there.